Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust brightness on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, if you are using a keyboard, on your keyboard at the top on the function keys, you should see a brightness down and a brightness up button. So if you just simply click on those, your brightness should change. But if those buttons doesn't work for you, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and in here type for settings and just open up settings from the best match. Then from here, you should be home. And from here, you should go to system. And from here, just go inside display. Now under brightness and color, you should find the brightness slider button right here if you are on a laptop. But I'm on a desktop, so I don't have it. But if you're on a laptop, you should have a brightness slider right here. So after that, you can change it from here. And another way to do is just go to search and search for power options. Then just open up edit power plan. From here, just go to power options and you might need to expand this section for additional plans. And under here somewhere you'll see a brightness slider if you are on your laptop. Again, I'm on my desktop so I don't see it. But if you're on your laptop, you should see a brightness slider right here. And basically that is how to adjust brightness on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.